As on 17th of March, significant weather systems around Goa. There are two of them. First one is a circulation over Madhya Maharashtra, that's at a height of around 1 kilometers from the surface, and the second one is a wind discontinuity or a trough that is at 1.5 kilometers of height, and this system is running from around north interior Karnataka side up to Madhya Pradesh, southwest Madhya Pradesh side. So these systems are bringing moisture to Goa's atmosphere, and we can expect the partly cloudy sky conditions to remain over Goa in the coming days. And if we observe on days in the coming days, the intensity of this circulation over Madhya Maharashtra is increasing, and we can see a trough kind of feature extending even up to Goa side on 20th and 21st of March onwards. And same is the case for the wind discontinuity at or trough at 850 SPA, that is 1.5 kilometers of height. That system also is intensifying from around 20th of March, and there is a lot of moisture coming into the atmosphere over Goa by around 20th and 21st of March. So in consideration of that, there is possibility of light rain or thunder showers over Goa on 20th and 21st of March onwards. We are expecting that the scenario is going to continue even after 21st of March. On those days, particularly on 20 and 21st, we are expecting that thunderstorm may be accompanied with lightning as well. So there is a warning of thunderstorm with lightning for South and North Goa districts on 20th and 21st of March. Now regarding temperature over coastal regions, that is Panji and Marmugao observatories of Goa, they were reporting consistently between 33 to 34 degrees Celsius for the past 1 week, and that is around 1 degree higher than normal, higher than long-term average value of temperature at these stations. So the scenario is going to continue again. We can expect temperatures between 33 and 34 degrees Celsius over the coastal side in the coming 2 to 3 more days, and there is a possibility that there could be a rise of around 1 degree or something, around 1 degrees we can see near the coastal regions. And please note that this the temperature in the inland regions based on their topography, based on other features. Inland regions of Goa away from the coast, they may have a temperature 2 to 3 degrees higher than the coastal side temperature. And if we summarize, what we can say is that on 17th, 18th and 19th there are no warnings, and the sky conditions are expected to be partly cloudy. And on 20th and 21st of March, that is day 4 and 5, on those days we are expecting a light rain or thunder shower activity over Goa, and on those 2 days we have issued a warning for thunderstorm accompanied with lightning. Now the systems are going to continue even after 21st, so it is requested that please be regularly updated with the forecasts and warnings issued by IMD. Forecasts and warnings are issued based on the latest observation of weather parameters and numerical weather prediction model outputs. And please be watchful for the nowcast warnings that IMD issues. If any thunderstorm cloud are observed near or within the boundaries of Goa, nowcast warnings are issued by IMD regarding the position of the thunderstorm cloud and its possible movement as well.